Aw, what a tree camper. I wish he would just jump into my arms. Yay. You gotta go back up. You're wasting video time. Versus reality. Kind of sussy imposter. Alright. Oh, come on. How long does it take? But you actually get on top of the tree. This is gonna be like a 3-minute video of you trying to get on top of the tree. Come on, boy, I'ma spank you. Get out there. I missed. Just get up there. Super monkey. Hello. Versus reality. Man, I hate tree campers, don't you? No, I mean, I could just tag you, but like, what tree? I can't even get him. It's not like I'm a monkey. Like, I'm just gonna give up. I'm out of here.